Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there here again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. You see, I have some things I want to talk to you about in this video. Now first things first, I'm going to present a video to you, and in this video a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she's asking the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, for help. And she also talked about a relationship that she said that she's in with a man. She also used the word stressful. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to some things that the female said in this video and tell me what you think. Here's the video. Listen, observe.
Good afternoon, Jamaica. May I use this moment to address this to Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Listen carefully now, people.
And the sufferation of we woman under the hands of man.
Listen.
Abuse, violence, and a lot of stuff. We need assistance from the government, where the government can put in place things that when man deceive woman by telling them lie, taking things from them. Love don't come with a receipt, Andrew Holness. Love do not come with a receipt. And if a man in a relationship with you and you help him out and you want back your money, you can't get it back because you have to have receipt for sure say you did give him this money and you did give him that. Love do not come with a receipt. Right now, me talking out of the depths of my heart.
Valid points.
The depths of my heart, me talking out right now, Andrew Holness. Oh, me stress, me depressed, everything in a one. And only one way me I look upon life.
What do you mean by
one way me I look upon life.
What do you mean
and
by
if you see this message, reach out to us woman when we cry out, because I cry out so many times and I look help all over so many times. People only give a listening ears and everybody walk their own way. Nobody care. I'm in this relationship with this gentleman. His name is Dancehall. That's the name he used on Facebook. That's his real name.
Okay.
And I tell you, it's stressful. I want to walk away. I'm getting a lot of threat from him. And I have the proof of everything on the phone, and if everybody listen it, nobody cares same way. Why? Why?
Okay.
I'm not a lazy person. I work for my honest bread. And when I work for my honest bread, he try to take things away from me. If I have $10, he have an excuse to take away my $10 from me, and I have 7 kids. And he doesn't even ask how my kids are doing.
That sound weird to some people. No man, that sound weird to some man. Jano, make we hear some more things that she say. Listen.
And if I have food or anything for my kids, and him only have 2, and him doesn't take care of him too, him tell me saying baby mother have problem with him and taking care of one of his kids. And me take up my $5,000 I give him for help consultation, and him take the money, go drink a bar and don't give the lady the money.
What?
So all those things that get me real depressed, stressed out. As what them that call it mental breakdown. Me a mentally breakdown. Because me not have nobody will have me back. Me alone have me back. Me alone. The police them down by the station in Cross Hill, I'm best friend. Them take everything for a joke. Them don't take us seriously. Him lick me down unconscious, and me call the police them, and me get the wrong.
Wow.
Me get the wrong. Him telling the police them behind me back, we don't have a relationship, and when night come, him a call and a come at me yard, a carry me down a film yard. Me no run up and down and have 1 million man. When things get bad, that don't say you have to run away, you have to still try and work out things. Then I have to go start a whole new relationship over again. So me really need some help. in solving this situation, honestly, because I have to be on medication that I never be on before to keep me calm, take away some of the stress. And when people see these things, you're coming up on Facebook putting up these things, they take it for a joke. When they see you in real person, them laugh after you. Them say you walk a mind man. You're in a relationship and your man can't help a situation and you have the money. You can't be selfish. You can't be selfish, you know.
There's a give and
you can
take,
never
you know,
be selfish.
For real, a give and take, you see me? Each one care
But
for
a
the other
man
and
will
so
know
forth.
himself, you say, alright then, value that person that will come up and give you $10 out of them pocket because a woman not have to take up their money give a man.
Straight.
My friend them laugh after me, say, me want him to beat me, and me want him to use me, and me want him for this, and me want him for that. Well, I tell you, Andrew, my cup full. My cup full. My cup full.
May I stop it right there, some people? My people, life set away, man. Alright, anyways, you know, based on some things on me or the female say in that video, you know. In my point of view, it seems as if the female have some form of care for the man that she talked about in that video. You see me I say? And would I like to hear what the man who she talked about in that video have to say about the things that the female said in that video. You know, would I like to hear his side of the story, as well some persons might say. Yeah, but I like to compare both sides of the story because some things that the female say in that video, viewers and subscribers, and are real. It reached me also, and you have me thinking at the same time. You see it? Yeah, man. But I want to say this to each and everyone. Generally speaking, appreciate anyone who take care of you and care for you. You hear me? I tell you because it's a life set away, you know. You might go through the rest of your life and never find anyone like that person who care for you and treat you some good ways, you know. You see me I say? And you see, when it comes down to people within a community that knows that somebody will go through certain things, don't tease the person and try to make the person feel down. You see me I say? Sometimes you might be surprised to know that a little word of encouragement will lift that person up, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. Well, I only hope so that this video will somehow reach the Prime Minister because she want the Prime Minister of Jamaica to hear the things that she have to say. So I hope so that her request somehow be filled. You see me I say? And I hope so that she find peace within herself. And if it comes to the test, I only hope she find the strength to just cut her losses and just move on and go live a nice, happy and good life. You see me I say? Because I don't want to hear nothing bad happen. See? But anyways, my people, yeah, so I go left the video right here. So I go move on to another topic. I'm just going to leave this video right here. You can tell me what to think about the things that the female said in that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. So I read a news article that gave me the understanding that 4 men had been shot and killed during a police operation within Central Village, Jamaica on March 9, the year 2022. Yeah, according to this news article that I'm looking at, I got the understanding that 4 men were killed in an targeted police operation in a community known as Zambia. That's within the place that is known as Central Village. That's within the parish of St. Catherine. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright, so preliminary reports are that the men were caught by surprise at a house within that community and they were killed at about 2:30 a.m. and that's according to this news article, viewers and subscribers. All right. Yeah, I read another news article that gave me the understanding that those persons who were injured had been taken to a hospital where they were pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers. You see me? So that's what that other news article said. You see me? Read about 3 news articles about this whole situation. You know, I'm just make you know what I know. You understand? Yeah, anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. So I read more than 1 news articles about a new $2,000 bank note that Jamaica is supposed to introduce. Well, according to this news article that I'm looking at, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that this news article said that Jamaica is to introduce a new $2,000 bank note. Another part of this news article said that Finance Minister from within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Dr. Nigel Clark, on Tuesday, that would be the 8th of March, the year 2022, during a budget debate, stated that late former prime ministers and political rivals Michael Manley and Edward Seaga will appear together on the note that is said to be this so-called new $2,000 banknote. You understand? Another part of this news article said that Nigel Clark further announces that the current notes are to be upgraded in the coming fiscal year, meaning that the money them where Jamaicans are using in recent times, yeah, them are going to upgrade. You understand? Means something are going to happen where them are going to make them look upgraded. So me I say, yeah, another part of this news article said that Nigel Clark indicated that the new banknotes will last 50% longer than the current ones. My people, yeah, me and I real still, I'm not too excited about this new $2,000 bank note and upgrading of banknotes and all them things. As I say, yeah, I'm not too excited about it. You understand? But politicians know what them are do viewers and subscribers. I feel them thing. Them are for them reason. You understand? Yeah, we live in a world where it don't make no sense about them say certain things. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move on to another topic. So I read a news article that gave me the understanding that a man who you can see in quite a number of videos posted on social media wearing clothing that's somewhat similar to the Jamaica Constabulary Force uniform is not a police officer. Viewing subscribers from me see one of those videos, I said to myself, that man is not police. See me find it hard to believe that a policeman go there in a dance with a gun and a dagger woman, as all some persons call the dance, and then have the gun set so with liquor in the same hand with the gun and all them thing. No, me don't think no policeman that really and truly do that in their uniform. Eh? You want to lose your work? So from me see that video, me say, no man, this man could never be a policeman. And that me said to myself. But anyways, according to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that he's a blogger, not a policeman. See? A part of the news article said that the man was dressed as a policeman and smoking, drinking, and gyrating at a dance reportedly said to have been held within St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica, is not a policeman, is not a cop. You see me I say? A part of this news article said that Crime Chief, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitz Bailey, said that that's not even a police shirt he was wearing. Another part of the news article said that DCP Bailey said anyone could have got materials and made an outfit and even gotten a helmet and make it look like a police helmet. See, the news article said that Bailey said that the man had a boat gun. Well, I wouldn't say the man had a boat gun. You know what me that say? Me that say that the man get piece of board or pieces of board and make it look like a gun. You see me? Or him do some form of board together and make it look like a gun. But I say it that way, you see me? But when I say the man have a board gun, it sound like it's a gun make out a board. But you know, you get the point of me I say. If you're subscribers and a real, I just hope you understand me I say. Because I see the video I circulate on social media. No, correction. I saw those videos circulating on social media. And I real, from me see the first one of those videos, I said to myself, that man could never be a policeman out of them things there. That me said to myself. Alright? So yeah, so I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall, skilla, and big up on yourself. You see it?